Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. In this video, we are going to talk about what should I do if I was hired on a dredge boat. Dredging is a very important maritime process that benefits the environment. The commercial shipping industry and construction, among many others, it makes the waterways more easily navigable by large ships and also more suitable for fishing. Dredging vessels are equipped with special machines capable of digging out the bottom of shallow coastal waters and riverbeds. Although the people who man these vessels are thoroughly trained in operating the machinery, the very nature of the job is quite dangerous, and there is a very high risk that an accident might occur. As a matter of fact, hundreds of dredger accidents occur every year and sometimes even result in the death of maritime workers. In case you or someone you know ever gets hurt on a dredge boat, you have to know what to do in order to get fair compensation for whatever injuries you sustain. That is what we will talk about in this video. And then what are the accidents that can happen on a vessel, that can happen on a dredging vessels? Just as in any other boat, dredger workers face the risk of accidents such as slipping and falling overboard, drowning, or getting trapped in a fire or explosions. But unlike other boats, dredging vessels come with additional danger of equipment-related injuries. These massive boats are furnished with hydraulic pumps, cranes, buckets, and a number of other heavy equipment. The slightest malfunction or human error in operating any of these machines can lead to serious injuries, even death. For instance, a crane can result in the falling of the payload, which will likely crush anything and anyone situated underneath. And then the next collision with underwater obstacles are another common accident faced by dredger. The primary function of this vessel is to clear the waterways for other large boats, but they themselves run the risk of crashing into hazards underneath the surface, going aground, or even colliding with smaller vessels while working in narrow channels. The next is what precautionary measures do employers have to prevent dredging accidents. The best way to protect against dredging accidents is for the employer to ensure that the vessel is completely seaworthy before setting out into the waters, even if the project is just in a shallow river or inlet. The dredger must still be in tip-top condition. All the safety protocols must be strictly followed, and every crew member must be sufficiently trained before being allowed to operate any of the ship's machinery. The dredger must also be adequately checked on a regular basis in order to ensure proper maintenance. And then the next is, when should you hire a maritime accident lawyer? It is perfectly understandable if you need to take some time to rest and recover, but it is strongly recommended that you hire a maritime accident lawyer as soon as you can after the incident. The sooner you begin building your case, the better your chances of getting just compensation for your injuries. Also, there is a limited period during which you can file a case, so make sure that you file before the deadline. This is also valid to have someone file a case in your name in case you are unable to attend to it yourself. It can be your spouse, parent, child, or any other close relation who is ready to exert effort in order to give you justice. It is also worth mentioning that any kind of lawyer can actually represent you in a dredging accident case. Technically speaking, however, it is only the extensive knowledge and experience of a qualified maritime accident injury lawyer that can give you the representation that you deserve. For instance, an experienced dredge boat lawyer will have the necessary understanding of general maritime law and the Jones Act to help you file claims against your employer. What kind of compensation can you get for a dredging accident? It will depend largely on the extent of the injury that you have suffered. Some of the more common physical injuries affect the shoulder, back, eyes, hip, hands, wrist, knee, ankle, leg, and head. It is also quite common for dredging accident victims to suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD. Many victims also end up suffering from serious crush injuries and hernias or having amputation. While there is no way to undo the damage that has been done, you are definitely entitled to receive compensation for these damages. In order to find out exactly what you can get as compensation, it is paramount that you work with a reliable maritime accident lawyer as soon as possible. They will be able to compute your losses, file your case accordingly, and take care of negotiations with the other party in order to get you the fair amount that you deserve. And then the next there is a question that maybe you need information about, for example, like um, what are common types of dredging accidents? Aside from the typical boating accidents of sleeping, going overboard, and a fire, crew members of dredging vessels should always be prepared for machine-related accidents. The heavy equipment on board the dredge boat can malfunction and cause massive damage. Are there laws that protect dredging injury victims? There are several mechanisms provided by General Maritime Law and the Jones Act that allows victims of dredging injury to make the necessary claims against the employers. These laws cover accidents due to employer negligence, unseaworthiness of the vessels, and other reasons. How can I claim compensation if I get hurt on a dredge boat? The best thing to do is to find a qualified maritime accident injury lawyer as soon as you can. A maritime attorney will be able to help you through all the steps from filing a case to actually getting the compensation you deserve. And then the next question that pop up on your mind may be, where can I find a dredge boat lawyer to help me file a case? Search in local directories for a legal specialist in a maritime law in the area of your accident. For example, O'Brien Law in Houston, Texas. They can provide all the necessary legal assistance you will need if you ever suffer any injuries while on board a dredging vessels or a tugboat. Just call them and they will talk through the process and give you a free comprehensive consultation. I think that's all, guys, the information that I can say to you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you need information about maritime topics, you are in the right channel, because in the channel we talk about it a lot. And then if you guys want us to talk about or discuss about the information that you need about maritime topic, you can just drop your comment below in the comment section, and later when we have a chance we will talk about it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to give like, comment and subscribe. Bye, see you in another video.